gonna need it back. Want you to come and find me, just to tell me that I haven't changed. Boy, I need that from you.
Hey dolls, as you can tell by the title of this video, today I will be showing you how to get these marbled makeup brushes. Here you see me just taking the marble contact paper and I am peeling the paper back. And as you can see on the brush, it has the Wet n Wild logo on it. I am covering that up. So I'm peeling the paper back to my liking. You then will place the brush, covering the logo, and basically you're going to wrap the contact paper around the makeup brush. As you can see, I didn't go all the way down because the makeup brush is tapered and I would have a whole lot of excess paper. So I just did like the body of the brush, and you wrap until the body is completely covered. Then you take a pair of scissors and you are cutting your contact paper. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys this one more time, and then that's basically it. Steps 1 and 2 are now completed and you now have your marbled makeup brushes.